If you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a lady, if you are a girl who just needs to make money in 2025, then this is the skill for you. I literally guarantee you it will make you money in just 6 months of being committed with it. So many stay-at-home moms can attest to this. They are making money out of this, and literally imagine it will just take you 2 hours of your day, at most 3 hours, for you just to be able to make a good amount of money with this skill. If you're interested with this skill, then you need to watch till the end. Welcome to day 4 of learning a skill in 30 days in 2025 that will make you money. If anyone told you that blogging is dead, they literally lied to you, because people are still Googling, people are still making money out of Google, and you need to be one of them. You do not want to be left out in this 2025, and the only thing you need to have is your laptop and internet, and you are good to go. So when it comes to blogging, you don't necessarily do not need to be a good writer. Let no one lie to you. You just need to be committed and be willing to write something that you can be able to place out there on the internet that can informative, that can add value to people, and can make people and can help people to grow in their life. If this is something you can be able to do, then you are literally a blogger. You can start blogging literally right now. Take that laptop and just start doing it. Yeah. So when it comes to blogging, again, like I said, you need to learn this skill. You need to learn how people are making money. You need to learn everything to do with SEO. You need to learn everything to do with keyword research. You need to understand all these concepts about blogging, because it's not just about writing something and then placing it on the internet. You need to be able to understand SEO, keywords, and this is something you can just get from this one platform, which is Coursera. Coursera will help you to learn, understand everything to do with SEO, so that you can sharpen your blog post and be able to make your blogs rank on the top. And if you want to be able to get started with Coursera, you can get a 7-day free trial by using the link down here below. And one thing about blogging, because I have been able to start blogging last year, and I can literally tell you, keyword is essential. If you are one of those people that never thinks about keywords, you need to think and think again, because anytime someone goes on the internet, they are searching for something. So you need to be able to make sure that your blogs are optimized. The keywords you are using, they are optimized. And what better way, what better tool that will help you to make sure that your blogs are optimized if it is not Semrush. Semrush is a tool that has helped me to be able, as a beginner who just started 3 months ago, to be able to grow my blog by writing and putting the right keywords, the right topics that I should write in my blogs, and so that I can be able to help my website to rank on top. And you can be able to get started with Semrush for free. You don't need to pay any money. You can use the link down here below to kickstart your journey using Semrush for you to be able to grow your blog post and be able to rank on top. So as a blogger, you need to be able to understand one thing, that in order for you to start writing all these blog posts and posting them on Google for people to search and get to you, is you need to have a website. You cannot be able to start writing without having a website. And if you're a beginner, someone who feels like, I'm not sure if this is something I want to do in the long run, I'll recommend you to go start with the free tools like medium.com. It's a great platform. But if you really want to make money with this, if you really want to be able to start making money in the next 3 months, in the next 6 months, just from Google ads, from these other ad agencies, then I will recommend you to go get started with Bluehost. Bluehost is a great platform that will help you to Bluehost is a self-hosted platform that will help you to create your website, and you do not have to pay a lot, because you literally just need to pay $2 per month, and this is a cost of around $35 on a yearly basis, something you can be able to put aside because you want to grow your business, you want to grow yourself, and you want to be able to see some income coming out of it. So that $35 that you would have spent on something else, I'll literally tell you to go and try investing in that website and be committed to writing those blog posts. And one thing about blogging is for your website to rank, for you to get more views, for you to attract more traffic, is you need to promote it. You need to market it on your social media. You need to push it to more people so that people can be able to go and visit and bring more traction to your website. I recommend using Pinterest, because that is the platform I literally use to bring traffic to my website, and it can be very hectic at first because you don't understand the platform very well, but with time you can, when you put yourself and commit yourself, you can start seeing the traction and start seeing the views coming in by just using this one platform. But if you're comfortable, you can also be able to start promoting it on your socials like TikTok. You can start promoting it on Facebook or even on Twitter, depending on the platform that you have more traction and more audience. Another thing is the money side. When it comes to making money on blogging, you need to be a bit patient, because things like Google Ads, they will start paying you money when you have at least 1,000 views and above in your blog post. So if you can be able to get 1,000 views and above every month, like 10,000 views, there's a certain amount that you can be paid. But if you want to go and apply to these other ad agencies which pay more better than Google Ads, I feel like it will be much better, but there's a certain condition that you need to reach for you to be able to start getting paid with these other ad agencies. So I recommend for someone to just get started with Google Ads immediately, because that is another stream of income that you can be able to bring in before you apply to these other ad agencies. But when it comes to blogging, this is something I recommend any person. If you have 2 hours of your day, instead of them wasting it on scrolling on the online space, take those 2 hours, invest in writing. If you want to talk about motherhood, if you want to talk about parenting, if you want to talk about making money on the online space, whatever skill you want to talk, whatever topic or idea you come in mind, go and research about it. Go and look for the right keywords and start writing about it. With time, you will start seeing the traction. You'll start seeing the views come in if you put all this that I've said, and then you will be able to start making money literally 3 to 4 months in, if you are bringing more traction into your website. So this is a skill that will make you money in 2025. Let no one lie to you. Blogging is not dead. People are still Googling on the online space. So if Google is still alive, that means people will still make money with their blogs. Again, don't sit on this. Invest in learning and invest in yourself. If you feel like blogging is not something for you, do not forget to watch the next video, where I'll be giving you the next video where we'll be diving into another skill that you can be able to learn in 2025 that will make you money in the next 30 to 90 days. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because if you found value, why not subscribe and share to other people so that they can find the same value that you have gotten today.